Hello everyone, Professor D here. Today we're going to learn how to fill text with an image. How do you get this image into this word, peach? That's what we're going to learn today. So let me just make sure I save this work here. And if I wanted to download it, I can click download. And I'm just going to click download because I don't want to lose what I've already created. But we're going to start new. So I'm going to click on new image. So what you need to do is go to your search engine and type in Pixlr, Pixlr.com. And then when you get to Pixlr, you're going to choose Pixlr E. Then you're going to click on Create New. You can call the image whatever you want to call it. And then you're going to make sure you have a full HD. And you're going to click on the word Create. You should be exactly where I am right now. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on text because we want to make our word. I'm closing this window. And then we're going to click on add text. So I'm going to type in capital letters peach. All right. So next I'm going to find out what font I want to use. Now, I always use Daddy Day font for this particular project. So that's what I'm going to choose. Then the fill color, you can choose any color you want. I like to choose white, but maybe I'll choose a different white. One white is brighter than the other, so I'll choose a different white. And this is already set at 450-45 for my word. I can make it larger or smaller. So for this, for me, 395 is pretty good. And then I'm going to click on arrange, and that allows me to put my word wherever I want my word. Then I'm just going to click out. So once you have your word where you want it, then click out. Then you're going to go to whatever image you're going to put in here. Now, if you're in my class, I'm expecting you to use your own creativity and develop your own image. All right. So I'm going to right click on this image and I'm going to say copy image. I'm going to go back to Pixlr.com and I'm going to click on Control V to copy that image. All right, so the image is kind of large, so I'm going to, this little minus button is my zoom out button. I want to make it just a little smaller so that I know that it's going to cover my words. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my image layer and drop it down in front of my text layer. So now I have the word peach and you can see the words are coming through. At this point, what I want to do is I have two layers. I have the image layer and I have the text layer. What I want to do is put the two layers together. So to do that, I'm going to go to layer. I'm going to go to rasterize, and now it's one image. All right. So after it's one image, what I want to do is I want to make my text larger. So I'm going to go to edit and I'm going to go to free transform. And now I can move my text to make it larger so that it has some of the areas of the green within my A, that green leaf within my A for the peach. So I can click out once I have it looking the way I want it to look and say, yes, I want that transform layer. If I didn't want that transform layer, what I can do is just say no and then I'll work on it till I get it like I want it. All right. Once we have that done, then we're going to go to our text layer, our image layer. Let's get rid of that. And I'm going to say I'm going to click on mask, and there I have it, right? I'm going to transform down. All right, so you see I have that leaf right in there in that A, just like I wanted it. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this background with black, the color black. So I'm clicking on the color black. That's already on black, so I'm saying okay. I'm clicking on my paint bucket, and I'm going to click here, and it's turning my background black. Now I want the word peach just to stand out just a little bit. So I'm going to go to filter, and I'm going, a lot of people use outer glow. I'm going to use inner glow. You can use outer glow if you want to. You can use any color for your outer glow, and you can play with it till you get everything exactly like you want it. You know, I want it just a little bit subtle. Um, so I'm going to feather it, and I can see the size, you know, and then I'm going to make sure it's, you know, not too, when you get it like you like it, just hit apply, and there you go. It's not as big as the other one, but it's the same design. You can make it as big or small as you like. All right, everyone, I'll see you all in the next lesson. Have fun, play around with it. Goodbye.